Question 47 of the JAMB 2019 Mathematics Past Question. That's your UTME CBT exam. It says, in how many ways can a delegation of 3 be chosen from 5 men and 3 women if at least 1 man and 1 woman must be included? Okay, when you see selection, this is selection, all right? When you see selection, you should know that it is what combination, all right? Combination. And when you see arrangement, you should know that it is what permutation. When it says arrange in a particular order, it is what permutation. But when you see a selection being chosen from a committee, you get my point. It is what combination, all right? And it doesn't matter the order. Okay, so from here, let's look at our question closely. And remember, combination, it is what, when you have C n r, it is equal to what, n factorial over what, n minus r factorial, then r what, factorial. Okay, so what do we have here now? It says we have a delegation of 3 to be chosen from 5 men and 3 women if at least 1 man and 1 woman must be included. So the first, if we are to choose, it means that if we are going to choose 3 people from 5 men and 3 women, if at least 1 man and 1 woman must be included. So it means the first selection must be 1 man and two women, or that's what we have. We either have 1 man, if at least 1 man and 1 woman must be included. It means that it will not be all 3 women and it can't be all 3 men. 1 man must be included and 1 woman. So we have the first particular combination would be 1 man and 2 women, or we have 1 woman and 2 men. Okay, so this is the way it can be selected. So let us interpret this now. So 1 man would be what? That would be what? 1 man will be what? 5. That's a total. 1 man selected from total number of men will be what? 5 combination 1. Okay, and means what? Multiplication. 2 women will be what? That will be total number of women is what? 3 combination 2. Or means what? Positive. Then 1 woman will be what? That will be 3 selected from 3 women. That will be, open our bracket, that will be 3 combination 1 times, and 2 men selected from 5 men will be what? 5 combination 2. So let's solve this. So from here, 5 combination 1 will give us what? That will give us a 5. Should we do this together? Let me just do this in case this is the first time seeing how to solve combination. But let's just do this together. Let's manage the space here. So we have 5 factorial divided by, I just wanted to go straight by just giving you the answers, but let's do this together. So we have 5 factorial divided by what? 5 minus what? 1 factorial, then what? 1 factorial. Okay, let's manage the space here, times 3 factorial divided by what? 3 minus 2. Okay, factorial, 2 factorial. Okay, plus here we have 3 factorial divided by what? 3 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial, times 5 factorial divided by 5 minus 2 factorial, and what? 2 factorial. So here what do we have? We have 5 factorial divided by what? 5 minus 1, that will be what? 4 factorial. Alright, and this 1 factorial is still 1, so just leave it, let's just drop it here. So here we have times 3 factorial divided by what is 3 minus 2, that will give us what? A 1 factorial, 2 factorial. Alright, close this bracket, plus we have a 3 factorial divide 3 minus 1 will give us a 2 factorial. Let us leave that 1 here, times 5 factorial divided by 2 minus 5 minus 2, that was 3 factorial, 2 factorial. So here, let's cancel out. So from here, this 5 factorial is liking as what? That is 5 times what? 4 factorial. So it means it will cancel out this 4 factorial down there. Is that not it? So this 4 factorial will cancel out 4 factorial, and we're left with what? 5 times. Here we have a 3 factorial. And I hope you know, when they say factorial, I hope you know what this means. Like 5 factorial, what it means is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Please remember this. And if you don't, please, there's a video on combination and permutation on the video on our channel DTW tutorials that explains this. Okay, I'm just doing this to refresh your memory. All right, so let's go forward. So we have 3 factorial over 2 factorial here. So this is 3 times what? 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial, where 2 factorial will cancel out, so we're left with what? 3 plus, here we have 2 factorial over 3 factorial over 2 factorial will still give us what? 3 times, then this is 5 factorial over 3 factorial, then 2 factorial. From here, 5 factorial will be 5 times what? 4 times 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. This 3 factorial will cancel out this 3 factorial. 2 factorial is what? 2 times 1, where this 2 will cancel out here, and we have a 2 here, so we have a 5 times 2, which is what? 10. So we have a 10 here. So what do we have? What is 5 times 3? That will be 15 plus, what is 3 times 10? That will give us what? 30. So when you add this up together, what are we going to have? 15 plus 30 will give us what? 45. So our answer is what? 45. So the delegation can be choosing how many ways? 45 what ways? Okay, delegation of 3 can be choosing in 45 what ways? So our right option here is option D.